moving very, very slowly, but putting down some heavy rain. Numerous showers now beginning to intensify Glendale and along the I-5 towards Grants Pass. And here we have fires burning. Rain will turn to snow quickly east of the Cascades. It's a fast-moving storm. Here's the tropical moisture. Get a little bit of rain on the coast. Some snow around the Klamath Basin and the Cascades, 2 to 3 inches. Well, if you had a chance to get out and enjoy a little bit of the sunshine today, we kind of went from a little bit of fog this morning to clouds, and then the sun broke out nicely, and then we're back to some clouds increasing. That's because the next storm is already approaching. Severe weather hitting parts of southern Oregon and northern California with over 3,000 lightning strikes from cloud to ground. Many of the thunderstorms hitting over the complexes of fires as well as in the Medford area. Reports of marble-sized hail around Phoenix and petamarble-sized hail in Medford and north. Officially 50 in Klamath Falls, and it was 57 in Grants Pass where the sun came out, but where the sun did not come out, Medford, we were 43. It's how the pattern is. It's very changeable across the Rogue Valley to the Klamath Basin, and it's all because of microclimates. As expected, this has been the most active day of the thunderstorm days, and it is spinning thunderstorms all the way from Eugene northward into the Portland area. Look at these reds and yellows now approaching Portland, and we have showers and thunderstorms that remain across the western sections of our area, and some of them are producing rain in the fire areas. Now, the Labrador fire is about right here. These are two large thunderstorms, one in northwest Siskiyou County, and another one is just west of 199 in Cave Junction. It's just to the south of the Labrador fire, moving very, very slowly, but putting down some heavy rain. Numerous showers now beginning to intensify Glendale and along the I-5 towards Grants Pass. And here we have fires burning right in this region. We have thunderstorms developing on top of them, and that is not what we need right now. The good news is we're seeing fire dispersion. With the air opening up, the atmosphere lifting out, air quality has improved considerably. We are seeing improvement in Grants Pass, although it is still unhealthy for sensitive groups. We're also seeing that in the Applegate Valley. Everybody else is moderate, which is the best we've seen in a long, long time. Temperatures right now have cooled a little bit due to the rain that fell. We had hail, marble-sized in Phoenix. We also had hail about the size of, about pea-sized right here at the station, and also in areas around Medford. It's in the 70s in Klamath Falls, where it is a north wind of 10, keeping things feeling a little bit cooler, but no thunderstorms right now as skies are partly cloudy. 78 with a thunderstorm having passed by Medford. We're now seeing those thunderstorms, as I mentioned, to the north of Grants Pass, to the west of Grants Pass, and they are wrapping around that low pressure, so we'll see where they end up. Could come down close to Grants Pass in the next 2 hours, where the high was 83. Klamath Falls was 76, and Medford was 84 for a high temperature. It's all because of tropical moisture that was wrapped into this low pressure. Some of it came in from north of Hawaii. Some of it came in from the Baja. And this low pressure, very slow moving, has been the collection point of all of this tropical moisture. Now that it's collected, now we have the heating from the sun. We've had those numerous showers and thunderstorms, and as I've mentioned, we've had numerous reports of hail and strong gusty winds and also very heavy rain. We're hopeful that the rain is not causing mudslides on burn scars, but also hopeful that we'll see some relief in the way of fire outage. We got a report from Larry, who's near Glendale, of 3/4 of an inch of rain that fell at his location. That'll all end on Sunday as this storm system pulls to the northeast, mainly over Washington state, heading towards Idaho and southern Canada, improving weather for us on Sunday across the region. So 60s in the morning, no chance for precipitation, but by afternoon we'll have a slight chance for those showers and thunder showers. 60s along the coastline, chance for a shower or a thunder shower there, as well as in the Cascades. And over the Klamath Basin, it is going to be one of those days where you'll have hit or miss showers and storms, nothing as severe or as heavy as today, with 80s in Siskiyou County and 80s across the Rogue Valley. Now, along the coastline, expect those temperatures to stay mostly in the 60s. We may see a little smoke at times as the smoke kind of moves around, but overall, the smoke stays away from the coast. The smoky conditions return, though, in the Klamath Basin. 30% chance tomorrow, and then sunny and hotter. Same thing for the Rogue Valley. 30% chance tomorrow, partly cloudy to mostly sunny, and then mid-90s with the smoke coming back into play.
It sure was nice getting a break, at least for a couple of days. Thank you, Dan.
Well, I'm glad that we've had a chance for you to tune in because there's important information that I have to share with you. First of all, we have some severe weather that is breaking out and also blizzards which are occurring in Iowa and parts of, looks like northern Minnesota and Wisconsin. That's the same storm that shellacked us the other day, and now we have a new one coming into the coast. So with that in mind, we have some things to worry about. High winds tonight, high wind warnings tonight, most areas. 6 a.m. to about 9 a.m. the front moves through, rain turns to snow, snow starts accumulating. And then from 9 a.m. till 11 p.m., during that time frame, 2 to 3 inches in the valleys, even in Josephine County, and then above about 2,000 to 2,500 feet, we'll see 3 to 10 inches of snow, and there will be additional accumulations above those elevations of 2 to 2,500 feet Friday and into Saturday. The valleys will kind of vacillate between getting some snow and then turning back to rain as the freezing level moves up and down. Certainly all snow east of the Cascades through the time period. Notice it's in the 50s on the coast, and that's just as the front is coming through. 46 right now with a south wind 17, Medford gusting as high as 30 to 40 miles per hour, Ashland, and the east side up in the higher areas of the Rogue Valley. 28 degrees south steady winds and gusts higher in Klamath Falls. That gives us a wind chill of 15, so it's very cold out there. 32 for the high in Klamath Falls, but this morning it was 3. Record low is minus 11, but 3 degrees this morning is very cold. 48 and 30 in Medford, and we have 44 and 29 for temperatures in Grants Pass. So here's the storm system that's causing the blizzard that hit us the other day. High pressure, it's trying to move eastward, and as it does, we have a storm coming in, cold enough to snow down to 1,000 feet. As this low pressure moves in, during the morning, change over to snow, it snows, very heavy snow in a southwest flow in the Mount Shasta, McLeod, and Dunsmuir area. And the thing is, we have a second storm moving in right behind it. So it almost continuously snows in the Mount Shasta, Dunsmuir, and McLeod area. And we have continuous snow in the Siskiyous and the Klamath Mountains and in the Cascades. And so the snow starts to add up, and you see there's another storm behind that. The culmination of all of those storms really going to dump a lot of snow on the high terrain, and the snow levels fluctuating, keeping some times we get some snow in the Rogue Valley and other times it's rain and then it turns back to snow. So most of the heavy accumulations will be above 2,000 to 2,500 feet. Overnight the showers come in, but again the hazardous travel for us tomorrow. We have 2 to 3 inches below 2,000 feet, 3 to 10 inches above 2,000 feet for the Rogue Valley. And then heavier amounts over in Josephine County and southern Douglas counties and in the Coast Range Mountains. 10 to 20 inches above 2,500 feet in most of the mountain areas. And if you're leaving, carry your, have good tires for sure and carry chains. 39 in the morning, then notice what the temperature does. It drops. And so it's a wet snow, it's a slushy snow. It's not below freezing during the day, but it will turn colder in the nighttime, and we will have some continuous snow into the nighttime for us tomorrow. 1 to 3 inches of rain along the coast, snow levels 1,000 rising to about 2,000 feet. 12 to 24 inches in the time frame up to midnight for tomorrow night at Crater Lake. 8 to 16 inches of snow in the Siskiyous, and about 4 to 10 inches of snow over Lake of the Woods. In eastern sections, about 2 to 5 inches with blowing and drifting snow, heavier snow up around Chemolt. You notice those temperatures are very cold. Snow level 1,000 feet. 18 to 36 inches of snow above 4,000 feet during the day tomorrow up to midnight. This is a big storm for Mount Shasta, Dunsmuir, and also McLeod, and maybe even into Weed. We'll see about 2 to 3, 4, 5 inches in the Shasta Valley and Scott Valley above about 1,000 feet. So again, 3 to 10 inches above 2,000 feet to 2 to 3 inches above 1,000 feet in the Rogue Valley. And the periods of rain continue. Whenever I say a lot of rain, I say rain, 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 rain. It's not the whole time. It comes, it goes. As each disturbance moves in, and then Christmas right now looks like showers. A lot of snow falling in the Klamath Basin. When you add it all up, we may end up with a lot of snow. Did I say a lot of snow?
Sounds like a lot of snow.
A lot of snow. Yeah. And maybe it's going to be a white Christmas there. And for us, the snow tomorrow, then it's kind of back to rain, snow. Then it's snow on Saturday. Then it's rain, snow on Sunday. Then some showers on Christmas Eve. And could we have a white Christmas Eve? Could we have a white Christmas in the Rogue Valley? We'll have to keep an eye on it.